In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a bill in Microsoft Excel. We're going to create a simple billing sheet that is clean, easy to read, and very practical for basic invoicing or tracking purchased items. This is a great method if you want a straightforward spreadsheet that automatically calculates totals for you. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and start with a blank worksheet. The first thing you need to do is create your column headings. These headings will organize your bill and make each part of the information easy to understand at a glance. In the first row of the sheet, enter the following headings: item, quantity, unit price, and total. Each heading should go into its own column across the top row. For example, item will go in the first column, quantity in the second, unit price in the third, and total in the fourth. Setting this up first gives your spreadsheet a clear structure and makes the next steps much easier. Once your headings are in place, start entering your billing information below them. Under the item column, type the name of each product or service. In the quantity column, enter how many units are being billed. Then, in the unit price column, type the price for each individual item. Make sure your information is entered carefully so your calculations come out correctly. It also helps to keep your formatting consistent, especially if you're working with currency values. Next, you'll calculate the total for each item. Click on cell D2, which is the first cell in the total column for your first item. In that cell, type the formula equals B2 times C2, then press enter. This formula multiplies the quantity by the unit price, giving you the total amount for that row. After that, use the fill handle to copy the formula down to the remaining rows in the total column. The fill handle is the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Click and drag it downward so Excel automatically applies the same formula to the other items. This saves time and reduces the chance of manual errors. Finally, calculate the grand total for the full bill. Below your last item, type grand total in column C. Then, in the cell beside it in column D, enter the formula equals sum open parenthesis D2:D close parenthesis and press enter. This adds together all the item totals and gives you the final amount due. And that's it. You now have a simple bill in Microsoft Excel with automatic calculations for each line item and the overall total.